Welcome to the best picks. The best Zone Mortalis is probably one of the most immersive and tactically demanding combat environments available for Warhammer 40,000 enthusiasts, offering a claustrophobic and brutal close-quarters experience that truly brings the grim darkness of the far future to life on your tabletop. This specialized game mode, often played on smaller, modular boards, focuses on intense firefights, desperate melee engagements, and strategic maneuvering within confined spaces, making every decision critical and every victory hard-won. Number 5. Games Workshop Death Guard Mortarion. Introducing the Demon Premarch Mortarion, the third Premarch to be brought to life in plastic. This incredible centerpiece model is a must-have for any collection. Choose between two distinct poses. You can have him wielding his scythe in one hand and his lantern in the other, or reversed for a dynamic fighting stance. This miniature is covered in grisly, intricate details, offering a vast canvas for painters to showcase their skills and bring him to life. He is a formidable force on the battlefield, capable of easily defeating even an Imperial Knight. His sheer power alone makes him a valuable addition. This model is designed to be the stunning focal point of your army. Its impressive scale and detail will dominate any tabletop. What we like. This model is a true showstopper, perfect for any collection. Its dynamic posing options and incredible detail make it a painter's dream. If you're looking for a commanding presence on the battlefield or a stunning display piece, this is the Premarch for you. What people say. The Zone Mortalis terrain is incredibly detailed and modular, allowing for a wide variety of layout configurations. Assembly is straightforward, and the pieces fit together snugly, creating a sturdy and immersive battlefield. The scale is perfect for Warhammer 40,000 skirmishes, providing excellent cover and tactical options for gameplay. Number 4. Games Workshop Van Saar Gang Necromunda. Step into the grim darkness of the Necromunda Underhive. The Van Saar Gang is here, ready to dominate the lawless sprawl. Will you lead them to victory? These warriors are renowned for their advanced technology and cybernetic enhancements. They bring cutting-edge weaponry and formidable defenses to any conflict. This set includes plastic multi-part miniatures, offering a highly customizable experience. Assemble your unique gang, ready for the tabletop. Please note that tools, paints, and glue are not included. You'll need these essential items to bring your Van Saar fighters to life. Add this iconic gang to your Necromunda collection. Lead your fighters through treacherous territories and claim supremacy in the Underhive. Experience the thrill of commanding one of Necromunda's most feared factions. Their legacy is one of innovation and ruthless efficiency. What we like. Embrace the grim darkness of the future with this specialized gang. These multi-part miniatures offer a unique identity for your forces. If you're a Necromunda player looking to field a distinctive and adaptable crew, this gang is an excellent choice. What people say. The Zone Mortalis terrain is incredibly detailed, capturing the grimdark aesthetic perfectly. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions and well-fitting pieces for the Zone Mortalis. The modular nature of the Zone Mortalis allows for a variety of table layouts, enhancing replayability. Number 3. Games Workshop Sector Mechanicus Industrial Bases. Introducing the Sector Mechanicus Industrial Bases, a set designed to elevate your tabletop experience. These bases bring a gritty, industrial aesthetic to your miniatures. This features 52 highly detailed Citadel plastic round bases. Each one is crafted to add a unique character to your models. You'll find 3 different sizes within this set, offering versatility for various miniatures. This ensures you have the perfect fit for every unit. Included are 2 65mm round bases, perfect for larger models or centerpieces. These provide a substantial and impressive foundation. Transform your gaming table with these industrial-themed bases. They offer an immersive and visually striking way to display your army. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these bases are durable and easy to work with. They are ready to be painted and customized to match your army's theme. What we like. Elevate your tabletop with these highly detailed industrial bases. They provide a gritty, thematic foundation for your miniatures. If you want to add an extra layer of immersion and realism to your games, these bases are a must-have. What people say. Using these primarily for Space Hulk Terminators. I will use the larger base for a Dreadnought. I like the 32mm and 40mm bases in this set. Number 2. Warhammer 40,000 Zone Mortalis, Columns and Walls. Introducing the Zone Mortalis Columns and Walls set. This versatile terrain is designed to bring your tabletop battles to life. While perfect for Necromunda, these pieces offer endless possibilities. They are ideal for creating immersive environments for various games. Take your Warhammer 40,000 games to the next level. These structures provide the perfect backdrop for epic clashes in the 41st millennium. Relive the galaxy-spanning conflict of the Horus Heresy. Use this terrain to recreate iconic battles from this pivotal era. Elevate your kill team skirmishes with these detailed columns and walls. They add tactical depth and visual flair to your close-quarters engagements. Combine these elements to design unique battlefields. The modular nature allows for endless configurations, ensuring every game is a new experience. What we like. This terrain set is incredibly versatile, designed for close-quarters combat. It's perfect for creating claustrophobic battlefields across various game systems. If you enjoy tactical, intimate engagements and want to build dynamic environments, this kit offers endless possibilities. What people say. The Zone Mortalis terrain is incredibly detailed and captures the grimdark aesthetic perfectly. Assembly was straightforward, and the modular nature allows for a lot of creative building options for different layouts. The scale is spot on for Warhammer 40,000, making it a great addition for close-quarters combat scenarios. Number 1. Games Workshop Zone Mortalis Platforms and Stairs. Elevate your tabletop battles with the Zone Mortalis Platforms and Stairs set. This expansion adds new dimensions to your gaming space. Create dynamic and multi-level combat zones. The modular design allows for endless configurations to suit any scenario. Each piece is intricately detailed, bringing a grimdark industrial aesthetic to your games. Immerse yourself in the atmosphere. Ideal for games like Necromunda and other skirmish-focused systems. It enhances tactical gameplay and strategic positioning. Designed for straightforward assembly, you'll be ready to play in no time. Spend more time gaming and less time building. Combine it with other Zone Mortalis products for even grander table layouts. The possibilities for your battlefield are limitless. What we like. Add new dimensions to your battles with these elevated platforms and stairs. They introduce crucial verticality to your Zone Mortalis environments. If you're looking to create multi-level battlefields and enhance tactical movement options, this set is ideal. What people say. The quality and versatility is tremendous. The pieces can be assembled in numerous different ways, so no two tables need to look the same. It was exactly what I was expecting, shipped fast and arrived in good condition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.